So pag kukolektahin na, di kukunin na natin yan ron.
Hanguin lang po
Hanguin
dito.
lang.
Then isasali na doon sa...
Etong food waste, ang gagawin natin fertilizer at high-grade feeds ang gagawin natin. So yung liquid, ano po pwedeng gawin yan sa liquid?
Pwede po
Ito
siyang
na siya.
ipagdilig sa mga ornamental plant o vegetable plant sa backyard na magiging silbing liquid fertilizer.
Okay. So this is in support to the government program of segregation. Di ba? So yung segregation law, may patutupad natin dito, hindi masasayang ang food waste ng bahay, ma-convert natin yan sa organic fertilizer and organic feeds. At the same time, yung liquid na may bioinoculant solution, panlinis ng kanal, pandilig sa halaman, wala pong katapon-tapon, walang kasayang-sayang. So this is one of the feasibility studies made by Guardian Stop Global Warming Foundation in support of the global warming and in support to the government project of segregation law and solid waste management program of the government. So thank you very much, Engineer Ray Tuleso. Thank you very much, Vice President Lustre. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Sana po naintindihan natin ang isa feasibility study ng Guardian Stop Global Warming Foundation kung paano po natin matutulungan ang ating government. At the same time, kung paano po tayo makakatipid. Paano po tayo makakatipid at makakatulong sa global warming at climate change. Wala pong katapon-tapon, walang kasayang-sayang. Maraming salamat po, Founder Dante Reyes po ng Guardian Stop Global Warming Foundation.